Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can plan a sales order with multiple deliveries in Odoo 18. You can see here I have a sales order. Let me duplicate it. The sales order is duplicated. I want to order 50 quantities of a screwdriver, but I want to plan it in two different days as my customer needs it in two different deliveries. So what I'll do, all I have to do, I have to go here, change the quantity column, mark it as a 25 edit. I have to save it. After saving, under the action, click on the split. Once clicked on a split, you see a log has been posted over here. The initial demand has been updated, screwdriver 50 to 25, and a back order WH out 43 has been created. Let's go back to our sales order, and here you see there are two deliveries created. This is the first one and this is the another one. The 42 was the original one and 43 is the splitted delivery. Now you can still make the adjustments on the dates and plan your deliveries. So this is how you create or pre-plan multiple deliveries on sales order. Thank you for watching this.